Hi friends, I'm Silak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar-based chart on your canvas sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar-based chart on your canvas sheets on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. So for that, here I have a total of 3 into 3 column. So just going to select that entire data first. After then, you just need to click on the element section on the bottom. Then you just need to select the chart option, click on the CL option, and just scroll down. You can find the option called bar race chart. And here you have two options, a single color bar race chart and bar race. So just go with the bar race, which actually include every groups and also the item names with all the necessary data in the chart. It's so useful if you're making a detailed data of charts. Click on the data option, and here you can easily customize the data and customize option to enable the legends and access labels. And also, if you just need to customize the color, you can just click here and you can just change here. You can see how it's simple to change the colors, and you click on the video playback so you can see how it's going to be happen. This is so useful if you're creating a video or a chart for this. This is how you just do this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.